everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get subscription on Bumble. To get started, let's open Bumble app. Make sure your Bumble app is installed on your device. This is your home page. Now if you go to your profile, you can see upgrade from USD $11.99. So if you want to unlock all of the features like unlimited likes, beeline, advanced filters, hypnotic mode, travel mode, 5 super swipes a week, 1 spurt line a week, so on, you need to upgrade. To upgrade less, click on upgrade from USD $11.99. Here is 1 week package, 1 month, 3 month and lifetime. Click on the package and get 1 week for USD $11.99. But now let's click on it. Now after that, follow the instruction and then you can get the premium. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.